Welcome to the downtown market in Grand Rapids. This market is a mixed-use facility that brings together local food production, education, and entrepreneurship opportunities. It features 2 full-service restaurants and over 20 vendors, a rentable incubator kitchen, and community events all year round, making it a focal point within the city and a must-stop if you want to get a taste of everything that's good around here.
So what are we getting?
I don't know, there's so many choices. Like right now, on my right side, there's barbecue, there's pho, and there are tacos. Quite a lot to choose from.
Yeah.
So I got Maria and I the Southern Greens juice. It has collard greens, kale, celery, I think green apples, and we added a bit of pineapple to give it a bit more sweetness. And let's see what Maria thinks of it.
It's good. It's very healthy.
It is green.
What?
I just love how they set up their jarritos.
It's like a flag.
It's very messy. It looks very messy.
It has fries in it.
It has fries in it.
Yeah, and guacamole and carne asada.
Oh, that looks really good. I did not get that burrito. Is it really good? Yeah, because I saw some other customers ordering the same thing.
It's creamy. It has like all these sauces inside.
It's the creaminess of it all. Wow.
Let's see if yours compares. What did you get? Tacos.
I had tacos and tamales. I'm gonna take another bite.
It's the fries, I'm telling you, it's the fries.
It's the fries. It's very well seasoned. I guess like the sweetness comes from the onions instead of the pineapple in this one, but oh, it's so good. This one's really good. The masa is layered, very flavorful. So like you get good flavor from the masa and the pork. After those delicious tacos, we stopped by Sweet Delicious to grab some desserts to go and then checked out the second floor. It was really nice to see how sustainability and community were key considerations when designing this building.
Find yourself in Grand Rapids, Michigan, definitely stop by the downtown market.
Yeah, you can stop by for some food like we did. We had some tacos, like other things like a spice market, fish market, yeah, they have fish market, beef. Yeah. So there's quite a few things. It's really awesome. They have 2 floors. Second floor is the, I guess like the
administration.
They have the administration. They have a greenhouse.
Yeah, they have cooking classes if you want to learn how to make something.
Kitchen. Yeah. And they have seating for like if you grab your food, come up here, eat. And it's really awesome. Come out to the terrace, enjoy the view. Yeah. So yeah, this is a very cool place here in Grand Rapids. We really appreciate you guys coming along with us, and as always, we'll catch you on the next one.